Hey, HardluckCharlie here. Today I'm going to show you the Kodak Carousel 600 slide projector. It's a very simple projector. It has manual focus and manual slide advance. That's about it. Fan on, lamp on, no remote control, wired remote control at all. It's just a simple, straightforward slide projector. It only has forward. So if you want to go reverse, you just hold the select button down and then you can turn the carousel either direction. We're going to go ahead and move it up, and then we'll show you the slide advance, and then we'll show you the slides themselves. But this is how effortlessly it transfers slides. There's nothing special about these slides. These are old beat up slides. Well, they're not really beat up, but they're just old slides. Some of them are a little bent, but as you can see, it advances the slides quite nicely. So we'll go ahead and turn this back, and then we'll show you the slides themselves, and we'll get at it. Thanks. Okay, here's a quick demo of the slides themselves as they pass through the Kodak Carousel 600. As you can see, the projector runs nicely. So that's about it. That's our quick demonstration of Kodak Carousel 600. It's available on eBay, and the seller name is HardluckCharlie. Thanks for watching.